Oliver back here. Got my helmet. Not even going riding. I'll be back in 2 seconds. So today I was gonna let you listen to my motorbike. Doesn't sound that well, but motorbike's a motorbike. Yeah, I'll be doing a short film tonight of riding and stuff. I'll go into gear. This bike, if you're wondering what it is, it's a TR125. Yeah. Motorbike's a motorbike, it's a good motorbike. Does the job at least. Oh, if it was... So that's my motorbike. Yeah. Give you a quick view of it as well. There she is. Well, if you're wondering, I got FMF stickers on my swing arm and my swing arm and my car stickers. Because I got FMF stickers, I don't actually have an FMF. Yeah. That's my bike. Does the job. But yeah. My next video is going to be of riding, by the way. If Dad gets home early enough, he said he'd film me. By the way, if you're wondering what that was, deer antlers. Deer antlers. You know what like a deer is when you're in the bush hunting. Buster's into his hunting a lot. He goes hunting in a lot. He has these other antlers I'll show you in a minute, and you rattle them together and it attracts deer. Like that. I go hunting with my brother a lot too. Yeah. Oh wow. Look at shit on the path. God. Go throw that over the fence actually. God, that's disgusting. Oh, this must have been there for a while because there's a bit of a mark there still. Oh, to be bop. So that's my motorbike. Because I made another video before. I have this new intro. The song, it's an intro. The song is called, it's by Ivan V. And it's called Sweaters. But it didn't work. Because my video sometimes, my recording thing, my camera, doesn't usually pick up sounds that well. It's like weird as, but, well, I'll turn a light on so you can see me. That's better. TV's still going. I'll turn that off. I'll turn it on mute. So yeah, I just got back from school about 20 minutes ago. Yeah. Well, yeah, my dad's going to be home soon, so my next video will be dirt bikes, like I've said about 65 times. But I'll let you guys go, because I need to go do a couple jobs around the house. And I'll see you later. Peace.